Follow these instructions to adjust the feed wheel on your BetterPack 555 ESA. Remove the power cord from the back of the dispenser. Open the top cover and remove the tape. From the back of the dispenser, remove the two tape guides. Insert a 3/32 Allen wrench through the access hole in the plate in front of the tape basket area. Find the adjustment set screw and turn it a quarter turn clockwise to tighten, or a quarter turn counterclockwise to loosen the feed wheel. You'll know it's too tight if the tape jams against the blade and doesn't dispense at all, or if the corner of the tape is folded over like this. Continue making quarter turn adjustments until the feed wheel is properly adjusted.